She's trying to come down. Where do you want to go? No, not up there. Come here. You don't go up there. Guess they're both on the cage. I'm gonna run out of space. Come here. Good girl. Wanna come play on the floor? No chasing feet, though. Sorry I yelled. I just don't want a hurt foot. Oh, you're looking in the mirror? Oh, there I am. I'll get out of the view. Nobody likes a big black iPad. Come here, Liz. Want kisses? Come here, I'll give you some kisses. But you sit there. Wait, Liz! Trying to distract him a little bit. There she is. I don't know if you can see them, but she knows that I'm gonna take a video of him. So she went on my ladder. She knows I like to kiss him. Want a kiss? Oh, I know you want it too. That's Tweety and that's Liz. So, what's you guys doing? What's you doing? Wish I had some gloves because of that biting fence that I was talking about. I'm looking for something to put on me. So I can put you guys on my arm. Wait, I found something. Sorry. I'm going to stick my hand, my whole arm, in a pant sleeve so they can come on. Come here. Oh, come here. Hi, girlie. Liz is on my head. Ouch, Liz. He's on my eye. My nose. Oh, now he's on the iPad. I put him down, but I know you cannot see him. Now he's on my head again. Bite. Oh, get off. She was trying to bite me. I took the hands off my arm. Hi, sweetie. This is on my head. Take him down so you don't get jealous. Come here. Good boy. Oh, he's on the... Oh, get off my shoulders. Tweety, come here. Good boy. Oh, Sweetie's on too. It's okay. I'll let you have it today. It's a thunderstorm. That's Tweety. That's Liz. If you watch my videos, you'd probably be starting to tell. That's cute. It's to go back to the cage. Nobody. See you later, guys.